Yo, this is Sidewinder X1. Recently, I just had a problem with this stepper motor right here. It was cranking, making crank sound. Opened it, replaced the motor with another different stepper motor I have, connected it, same problem. Then I thought it might be the ribbon cables itself. So I had some spares. I just put them together from here to there, and same with this one. I didn't replace it. I just used it externally just to verify if these are damaged or not. After replacing those, same problem. Then I thought it might be this board. So I took it off. I had a spare board. I tried it on. It was working perfectly fine. So if it's not the motor, it's the board. After that, I was like, wait a second, let me verify the board again. So I just did a little cleanup here and there, and then I put it on again, and it was working perfectly fine with the previous board. And then I took off the spare ribbon cable.